To fit all these pieces in the tray, you have to use spatial reasoning and logic in order to figure out how these pieces will work together. If we just start by placing the purple pieces first, it might be a little bit difficult to figure out how these white pieces are going to interlock together with them inside of the tray. Instead, there's going to be a lot of trial and error to figure out how all of these purple pieces are going to fit in the tray. If we start by just fitting this one here, you can see there's going to be a little space between the next purple piece if we place one here. So we got to figure out how these pieces are going to fit in order to get them to fit perfectly together with each other. This is the Duct 23 puzzle made by Saka. It is a level 7 on this Puzzle Master's difficulty scale, which runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is just to fit all of these pieces into the tray. To get the Duct 23 puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. Now to solve this puzzle, we got to figure out how these purple pieces are going to fit together in order to get everything into the tray. So if we start by placing one of the purple pieces here, we can place one more next to that. Then we can use this shortest white piece in here to fill between those two purple pieces. Next, we're going to skip this space here and we're going to place one of these pieces beside that. Now to fill this corner piece, we need to place something like this. And then we're going to use this smallest piece up here and place a purple piece next to that. Now this space here is a little bit awkward, so if we try to take these pieces out and fit one of the longer pieces here, you can see there's going to be a space there and we won't be able to place the purple piece next to that. So we're going to skip this piece and place some more of the white pieces in here. So if we take this longest piece, we can place it over here and then we can place this piece next to that. Next up here, we're going to take this piece and place it here. Then we should be able to have one more piece that'll sit next to that and leaving this purple piece here. Now we have no piece that will sit in between these two pieces here because there's nothing going to be short enough. So we're going to leave this one as an empty space as well. If we take this piece, we can flip it in over here. And then we can use this piece up top to fill in here and leave this purple piece there. Now, if we take this longest piece, we should be able to place it here and place one more purple piece just like that. Now you can see we're not going to be able to place this purple piece up here because we're coming across a really short piece there again. So if we place this purple piece here, it makes a perfect space to fit this piece in over here. Now you can see we're going to need this piece to fill in the corner. This piece can go over here. And finally, this piece to complete the tray. To see other cool puzzle solves like this, click this video right here. And to get the Duct 23 puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.